In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a marketing email as a template in HubSpot so you can reuse your layout, design, and structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. If you regularly send newsletters, promotions, or campaign emails, turning your best performing email into a reusable template can save you a huge amount of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot guides. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your marketing email inside HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account, then go to the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down, select Email. This will take you to your marketing email dashboard where you can see all your drafted and published emails. From here, you have two options. You can either create a brand new email by clicking on Create Email, or you can open an existing email that you've already designed and want to turn into a template. If you already have a layout that you like and want to reuse, simply click on that email to open it in the editor. Once you're inside the email editor, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Actions. This is where HubSpot hides several important settings related to your email. Go ahead and click on the Actions drop-down. A list of options will appear. From this list, select Save Email as Template. This option allows you to convert the current email design into a reusable template that you can access later when creating new emails. After clicking Save Email as Template, HubSpot will prompt you to give your template a name. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. For example, you might name it something like Monthly Newsletter Template, Product Launch Layout, or Webinar Promotion Template. Using specific names will help you stay organized as your template library grows. Once you've entered the name, click Save. And that's it. Your marketing email has now successfully been saved as a template. From now on, whenever you create a new marketing email, you'll be able to select this saved template instead of starting from scratch. This keeps your branding consistent, speeds up your workflow, and makes scaling your email marketing much easier. One quick tip: before saving an email as a template, make sure you remove any time-sensitive content, like specific dates, limited time offers, or personalized text that shouldn't carry over into future campaigns. That way, your template stays clean and ready to customize for each new send. As you continue building campaigns in HubSpot, creating templates for different use cases like newsletters, announcements, product updates, and event promotions can dramatically improve your efficiency. It also helps maintain a consistent visual identity across all your emails. So just to quickly recap, go to Marketing, then Email, open or create your email, click the Actions dropdown in the top left corner, select Save Email as Template, give it a name, and click Save. That's all it takes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.